I just read The Power of One More so you don't have to, and we're covering the basic principle and theory, then driving into 6 key one mores to double your business in the next 12 months. Watch to the last one, it's the most powerful. I'm Mike Perna, team leader here in Metro Detroit. If you have a referral moving to or from Michigan, we would love to give your client a 5-star experience. Need a coach to break through to the next level? The link's in the description. Let's chat and see if we're a fit. Let's get on with it. The Power of One More, the ultimate guide to happiness and success, starts with explaining the source of the idea, which is the author's father. He built his business and success that way and passed it down to his son, and I love that. Breaking it down to one sentence is the compounding effect of going just a bit further, waking up 1 hour earlier, doing one more set at the gym, running one more mile has to someone's life. One 5-mile run doesn't get me in shape, and a large pizza doesn't make me unhealthy, is the compound effect of both of those things over time. Let's start where it all begins, the best business to have, referrals and sphere of influence. You do a great job for people selling homes and helping them find homes. I know you do. You just need a bigger database of people that you've met. Assuming you do a solid past client and sphere follow-up program, adding one more person to your database each business day adds 260 people throughout the year. 5 to 10% of people move each year or know someone that they can refer. Adding 260 people to your database through the year is going to add 13 to 26 transactions to your bottom line. Number 2, one more CMA, one more comparative market analysis per week. That's 52 per year. Everyone wants to know how much their home is worth, and with values rising so quickly in the last 2 years, it's an easy conversation started with a past client that for me routinely leads to 6 to 12 more closings per year. Either the situation is right for my past client to move, or their memory is jogged on someone they know that's moving that they should be referring to you. Subscribe because we're going to be dropping a video for the step-by-step on the most effective way to deliver a CMA to a past client. Now, we love open houses, and our open house conversion rates are as follows in a normal or balanced market, not the scorching hot market that we just came out of, and is 2 to 1. For every 2 open houses you conduct, you should be getting 1 closing, either from a buyer walking through or a neighbor that wants to gauge the value of their own home walking through. Don't forget that sale signs breed like rabbits. When 1 goes up in a neighborhood, 2 quickly follow. 4, one more lunch, breakfast, or coffee with a past client or someone in your sphere of influence, and the best part is you don't even have to bring up real estate. They're going to do that for you. Take 1 more past client out for coffee and really strengthen that relationship. Ask for nothing, pay for the coffee, and thank them for their time. The rule of reciprocity dictates that if you give something to someone, they feel obligated to give you something back, and it's probably going to be either a referral or their business when they're ready to move. 5, one more video per month. If this was an article or a blog post, it probably wouldn't get read. With a video, it captures the attention and better, and more importantly, you can see my authenticity. I'm looking directly at the camera, and you can tell from my tonality and emotion that I care and I believe in the points of this video. Even better, you could be watching this a year after it was shot, because this content will continue to work and provide value whether it's watched the day after it was posted or a year later. Whenever possible, shoot evergreen content that's good and relevant forever. Scope out my channel, Michael Perna TV, on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, and rip off and duplicate every idea I have if you're looking for good content. We put a lot up and a lot out there. Use it. Last, and probably the most powerful one more thank you per week. And I mean a real one. Each week, pick 1 more person and either call them, shoot them a video and text it to them, or send a handwritten note thanking them. Be as specific as possible to what you're grateful for that person for. And this was a hard one to quantify, but going back over the last 12 months, looking at the 52 people I thanked, I noticed I had a 20% referral rate from them instead of the usual 5 to 10. That's 10 extra closings. These 6 one mores, if executed upon properly, will add 30 to 50 closings per year to your business and your bottom line. Closings from people that you already know, like, and trust you, while growing that number of people as well. I love the concepts in the book, The Power of One More, and in reality, that's how I built my business, taking the things that I was excelling at and just doing a little bit more than what everybody else was doing. So I challenge you to take some time and take stock of what's working in your business and what could you do to just +1 it or add 1 more to it. My name is Mike Perna, team leader of the Perna team. If you have a client that's moving to or from Metro Detroit, I would love to give them the same 5-star experience that we give our clients right now. Scope out our over 2,300 5-star Google reviews. Also, if you're looking for a coach to break through to the next level, click the link below and let's set up a time to have a conversation. We may be a great fit. Thank you again, and see you soon.